everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let me just check that the video is going to start to save. Record. Okay, the video is recording. In the previous lessons, if you remember, we created a project that we was optimizing, and when I'm seeing the result, a lot of you prefer to watch this video, and I really appreciate that. We have a problem and we fix some of them, and we go to this Excel. Now in this Excel, we need to get the best models. We have some of the models are the good, but we need to get the best model. So for that, there was one easy way to just copy everything. Copy them. Go to Gemini. Let me just Gemini. Go to Gemini and give the Gemini the chart. You see, you need to paste it by Ctrl Shift and V in this way and ask it, give me a report on which model or models are the best. And also we copy these headers, paste them here, then copy these things too, go to Gemini, give me a report on which model or models are the best. Okay, the K matrix continuous regression R2, okay, RMSE, best overall model 5, model 6, model 7, model 3, model 4, okay. You see it's not getting any of the neural networks, best neural networks model, model 2 and model 3 models to avoid. Okay, it gave me a good result for all data. It's going to see the all data. Let's see what it say. It also give me a good result. I want best machine learning model and best neural network model. Let's ask him. Okay, the best machine learning model is model 5, XGBoost, and the best neural network is model 2. Okay, we have both of them. Now, let's go and check it by ourselves and see if we set to the best results or not. For that, I'm going to do something. Maybe it's stupid or maybe it's not. It's up to yourself. I'm going to create a copy of that and name it sheet1.2. I name it train. Here I'm going to do some amazing work. I'm going to at first delete the conditional format for that, clear rules. Then I'm going to here just add a new cell. Okay, let's take a look at these things at first. I'm going to hide MSE, put 1 here for the count. I'm going to get the auto sum of all of them. And after that, I'm going to divide them by 21 to get the mean of them. What is the problem here? It's because of the exact this worst number we have here. It's a really false number. Because of that, I think we can even remove this model. Let me delete that. Okay, it's now better. And the divide is going to be about 20. Okay, now we have 20. Now I'm going to set that if this thing is less than this number, if this column less than this number, if this column higher than this number, if this thing, do this for all of them. Let's do them fast without any talk and just do it. Here we have another problem, I think. Which one of them is too high? This is very high. This is 600. Let's change it with how we change it. We can change it. Or can we? Let's give it 60. 60 is also out. And it's not a good number. I'm going to fix that. But for fixing that, we need to make it 19. And after that, increase this and delete this cell. Okay, now let's continue this thing and conditional format less than this number and this column greater than this thing, and for that less than this number. Okay, now the ones that are red are the good ones. Let's see how many of them are the goods. You see, this model is absolute maniac. It's perfect. We are going to make it green. These are not good. This thing is worthless. We can delete that, but we are not going to delete that. We are going to black it out. Not black. Let's say another color. Black is too aggressive. We're going to make it, let's go with black. This thing is also not good, not good, not good, not good. This thing is very good, pretty good. Let's make it green. This model is good also. This model is also good. You see, we have lots of good models, but the most important thing you must never forget, these models are also not bad because they get a good record on their results. So for that, I'm going to delete the models that are not any good, like this model, delete that, and delete this model, delete this model, 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 and this model, this model, this model, this model. I'm going to delete them. Now the count is 6. I'm going to make them no fill and change the things. I'm going to change this by 6. You see, these are the 3 models that are good is appeared here. You can see these 3 models are pretty good. Let me just hide these things. We don't need them. This 3 machine learning model is pretty damn good. And also, with these 2 models, when you see model 2 is looking better. So model 2 is the best model in the AI. As it says here, model 2 is the best. Okay, we agree with that. Let me write it, model 2 the best. for YC. Let's go with model 1. We can now delete everything here, but for that we need to go another time deeper in the models. Now we can delete this 3, and after that we can change it by 3 and increase it. You see now this model is showing up in the result and it's working pretty good, but I'm going to choose with this 3 model is pretty hard because they are all working well. But my result, I think model 5 is the best. Let's take a look at the Gemini and see what it says. Model 5 is the best. Okay, so we agreed that model 5 and model 2, these two are the best for YC. And here we need to do the same thing. So we are going to put 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I'm going to increase every one of them till here. Now I'm going to put auto sum here. Okay. And I think 21 is the number. Now I'm going to divide this by this and do the same for all of them. What is the problem? Okay, it's divided by this. Good. Why it's going to? Oh, it's because we hide one number. It's happened because of that. Now we are good. Now, at first, some of the numbers are very bad. You see here, we have one of them, I think. This -6. Let me just delete them. Does we have any other minuses? No, I don't think we have, but let's start. Now we need to set the conditions again. We set less than here, and here we set than less than here. The Last Warrior Braveheart is really amazing movie. I some kind of very enjoy watching that. It's a great masterpiece. Okay, let's do that. Talking is enough. Less than 33. It's pretty amazing and a masterpiece. The music is even greater than the movie itself. Okay, we got them, I think. This way, working in the Excel is very important because when you do that, you have a good understanding on what you are doing. I think I done something wrong here. Let's see by myself. Okay, I think I'm good. Let's continue. I hope I didn't make any mistakes, but the human is the income of the mistakes, not the stakes. If the mistake has any mother, we humans are. Okay, it's done. Now, let's do the same thing. These four are good. This is disaster. Let's delete the disasters. You see the numbers is changing simultaneously when we do the change. Okay, we can delete this thing also. We can delete this thing. We can delete this too. We can delete this. This thing is bad also. We can delete this. You see the model 1 of the neural network is the only model remain and it's the best. Model 1. Now just let's continue. Model 4 and 5 is useless also, delete them. Let's delete model 6. Now we are getting some results. Model 7 is useless. Model 3 and model 1 is also can be deleted. Model 3 can be deleted. It's also can be deleted. I think the winner is model 5. Model 6 is the best. Let's take a look. Model 6 is the best, and for the neural network is model. Which one for the neural network? I guess model 2, model 1. Model 1 is the best here. Okay, we have it, model 1 and model 5. Let me just paste it here. Model 1. We have our result that we want. So now we are going to create a report on them, the model 1 and model 5. These are the great models. So for the report, we are going to ask Gemini to create a report for us. How we are going to ask it? This is the data set. We now understand that the Gemini is going to give us the right answer we want. So we are going to give this result. In this results, YC stands for compressive strength, let's say. It's kind of similar. Trev, I want you to create a web page on this results in HTML and CSS and JS in one HTML file, and also gave me report on text format. Okay, let's wait for the Gemini. I need to sorry, do the same thing here also. And also copy this text. Okay, it's going to create our web page. Until then, let's start VS Code. Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's create a new text file. Select the language, HTML. HTML. Okay, now it's HTML. Let's see what's ended. We copy that, paste it here, save it. For the place, we are going to go back to project, nano concrete, and results. Oh, this is not right because we create a mistakes here. If you can recall that, we can name YC and YF the same thing. YF stands for flexual strength of cement paste. We save that, I think. Now it's time to open that. Where is it? We didn't save that. We saved that. Where we saved that? Oh, we saved it in the wrong place. Let me just copy this thing. Create a new folder here, site. Paste it here. Now let's create a new file. It's better. New text file. HTML. It's good. Now copy the code. Paste it here. Save it. Optimizing project, site. Save it. Now it's saved. Let's run it. Okay, model 3. It's pretty amazing. You see, it's showing us the best result. The table is pretty amazing, but we have a little problem, if you can guess, is that in the all of the model, it's not going to show the result for all of the model. So we are going to name a table, and I'm going to ask, it's great, but I want a web page that show the results best model for neural network and best machine learning model, and gave a review about the errors and how we calculate them and why calculate them and the difference of error between the all data and test data. Let's see what's going to do with that. We name it table F. It means flexual table. Okay, let's copy that, new text file, as the same HTML, save that. We don't have any untitled. Oh, it's in the nano. Let's go back here. Let's run the untitled. It's the same table. We are going to name it F table 1, and this is going to be C table 1. Okay, let's ask this comment from the another code also. Let's ask it. Let's see what is generated. I'm going to open a new text file, HTML. Why it's in the nano? Come here to optimizing site. Okay, save that. Let's go there, open it. Focused model, performance report, compressive strength, YC. Model 2, MAE. Okay, it's good. Thanks, as always, Gemini, but the formulas and mathematics are not looking right. Okay, let's see if it can change it. Until it's changing, let's use displays for. Okay, it also has the same problem. Let's ask Gemini to fix that. You are absolutely correct. Okay, let's see if it can fix it. I hope it knows how to fix it. Let's give it another try. Okay, the formulas are looking correct and great. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. You done the task right, but not right. But I want you to make it more beautiful and change the UI, and also give it some animation and more change the color, what we call color mixture. Okay, we need to paste it here. Also, I think let's save and run it. Why these things are not working? The previous problem isn't solved yet. Let me just save it and run it again. Let's open it with another. And the formulas are not showing right. Okay, let's see what is the new code. Let's copy that, paste it here, save it, and take a look. Okay, it's pretty better looking. The gap between the performance all data. The model is worse at predicting complete. It's pretty good looking. And I think it's the best possible thing. Let me rename it. Let me at first copy that. See results. It's pretty good. Let's open another code. Let me paste it here, run it. We just need to wait. Why the formulas are not looking well? Okay, here we have the formulas. Let me ask him. Fix this text show in web page. Okay, it's great. I want also, can I send this code in Gmail as a Gmail? Let's go to Gmail. share as a web page, okay. Email the link, send as PDF. Okay, let's see if we can send it as an email to each other or not. For example, let's paste the code here. This is the code, and to myself, let's send it and let's view it. You see, it's not looking great because it has some models that I'm going to teach you. But until then, let's go with our thing. Let me copy the new code and see if it's worked right or wrong. Let's run it. I think it's better to give it the picture. Fix this problem in the code, or delete the text you can't fix, or change it. Okay, let's see which one of that it can do. We give it a 3 alternative. It's going to fix it. Let's wait. Let's paste it, save it, and run it. Okay, it fixed the problem. Let's read the report. A voice update my network 7 page, the performance on test data. It's look perfectly. The difference inside. Okay, we have very good results. Now, let me just cut them. It's enough for today. We can get some good results. But the most important thing we need to add to our result is that we need to, for example, add some charts and also the predicted with the real result to them. Until then, I hope all of you have a nice time.